Hi, this is another lecture of CSS. In this lecture, you will learn what is case sensitive and case insensitive in CSS and how to use this. Case sensitive English capital and small alphabets are not same. ID in CSS is case sensitive. Case insensitive English capital and small alphabets are small. ID in CSS is not case insensitive. You must note that. Okay, English capital and small alphabets are not same. ID in CSS is case sensitive. And what is ID in CSS? I am discussing about this now. Okay, now I am discussing about this. What is ID in CSS? Okay, an example CSS of case sensitive with what? With is ID. How to use this? First, you must note it. What is this and how to use this? Save it, press Ctrl S, and this is what? ID case sensitive .html and ID case sensitive. First, you must note what is an ID in CSS and how to use that ID. Okay, and in CSS, ID is used and call start with hash sign. You must know. You know that in CSS, ID is a type of function. I can use CSS ID without div. That ID function only apply only onto that element where you can apply. For example, I want to use that ID without div adding. Okay, now what is case sensitive? I am doing it into practical. First, you must start this body, for example h1, and give the name of ID. Okay, how it will do like h1 space ID is equals to this. Okay, now give the name of ID. No problem, you can give any name, for example test, as you see here. Okay, then this is CSS ID. Other one is what? Okay, this is ID test in css. Okay, save it, and I want to run it. Okay, press Ctrl S to save, or click here to save it. The name of this ID class, as you see, this will here. Now this is a simple message. Now I want to call it here. Okay, how to do this? Call it here. In what? In style field. Okay, style/style. And this function is what function? This function is called inline function. Okay, internal function. This is an internal function, and another one is inline function, style/style. Okay, here style/style into head section. We have discussed about already discussed here internal function, and the id name is what? Here is id name is 1, and you can give another name, test, like, okay, h1, and color, for example, rgb, red, green, blue. We have already discussed the colors, and these three are coding red, green, blue. See now how to do this. Style/style. Okay, now how to do this? For example, start hash test, because the name of this, but here is what name? 1. Okay, and next one, what is to do? Close bracket, and here you must type a semicolon. Okay, here what? Color, for example, RGB is. Okay, color is this, you see here. Okay, and I want to this will be closed here, like here 0, 255, and give any other name 189, and save it. Okay, and run check. This is CSS ID. Now what is case sensitive and how to use case sensitive? And you can see here, this will apply only this. Why apply only this? Because I'll start here in id function and not here. Okay, and I want to like change it. This is t, save it, and see here, this will not apply. Why? This is case sensitive. You must note that case sensitive are not same. Okay, id in css is case sensitive. In css, id is also in case sensitive. Okay, and small and capital alphabets are not same. id is case sensitive in css, you must know that, and in case sensitive is opposite, because you will write here small letters, and here is also small letters. You write here capital letters, you must write here capital letters, both the same. Okay, I again change it and save it, and click here, press F5. This will change. If I want again calling this, okay, and and save it, and now okay, both will be changed. Same ID you can call anywhere, same ID you can call. Okay, again I want to, for example, ID is equals to test. Okay, and this is paragraph. Close this, save it, and you can see here this is also changed, because you can call, either you can call in which selector to apply ID, and either or not call which selector you can apply, or you where you want to apply and where you don't want to apply ID mentioned. And this is, you must note, this is case sensitive in CSS, and when we call ID start with always hash. Okay, this is a simple and small program, and you will see here all of the codings. Okay, and this is the concept of this. Okay, what is case sensitive, what is case insensitive? You must note that case sensitive clearly, because it will also will come up next lectures like JavaScript, jQuery, other languages. Okay, an example of case sensitive, this is the example. You can give any name of the, write something here. Okay, okay, if any problem give me comments below, then I'll revert back. Thanks.